Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm introducing a powerful VPN app that's fast, secure, and supports multiple protocols. It's called RAY Tunnel VPN. If you're looking for unlimited and private internet access with multiple server options, you're going to love this guide. Let's get started by installing the app. First, open the Play Store by tapping on the Play Store icon on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon at the top to begin. Now in the search bar, type RAY Tunnel VPN and press enter. You'll see a list of apps. Look for the one with the name RAY Tunnel VPN and the correct VPN icon. Tap on it to proceed. Once you've found the right app, tap the install button. It may take a couple of minutes to download and install depending on your internet speed, so just sit tight. After installation, you'll see an open button. Tap on it to launch the RAY Tunnel VPN. When it opens, you'll land on the home screen. The app may request permission to send notifications. Feel free to allow or deny based on your preference. Make sure your mobile data is turned on, as the app needs internet access to load and update its server list. After a few seconds, the server list will update automatically, and the VPN might restart briefly. Now let's talk about how to use the app. You'll notice that the app has two major sections, one for selecting a server and another for selecting the protocol or tweak you want to use. To choose a server, tap on the server section. A list of different location-based servers will appear. Select any one of them based on your preference. You can switch servers anytime you like. Next, you need to choose the right protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button. Here, you'll find a list of built-in tweaks. These are pre-configured protocol settings. Scroll through and select the one that works best for your connection. If you want more control and wish to use your own custom settings, tap the radio button next to Custom Settings in the top right corner. This will open a new window where you can manually select protocols like slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL, and others. Some of these protocols require custom server input, while others use the app's built-in servers. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once your server and protocol are selected, go back to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it to connect the VPN. It should connect in a few seconds. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices or your computer, tap the side menu, then select Tethering. From there, turn on the tethering toggle, and that's it. RAY Tunnel VPN is a powerful, flexible tool for secure internet browsing. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments or questions below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.